In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a payment request link in Wise. To get started, open Wise and head to the section called Request or Payments, depending on the version you see in your account. This is where Wise lets you ask someone to send you money in a simple, professional way without needing to manually explain all your payment details. If you use Wise often for personal transfers, freelance work, or business payments, this feature can save time and make the whole process much smoother. Once you're in the right section, enter the amount you're requesting and select the correct currency. Take a moment here to double check both details before moving on. The amount should match exactly what you expect to receive, and the currency is especially important if you work with people in different countries. Choosing the right one helps avoid confusion and reduces the chances of delays or incorrect payments. After that, add a short note or invoice reference for the person who's paying you. This part is helpful because it gives context to the request. For example, it could identify what the payment is for, such as a service, order, or invoice number. Keep it brief and clear so the payer can immediately recognize the reason for the request. A simple reference also makes it easier for you to track payments later. Next, click Generate Payment Link or Send Request. Wise will then create a payment request that the other person can use to pay you. Depending on how you're sending it, you may either get a shareable link or the option to send the request directly through Wise. This step is what turns the information you entered into an easy payment path for the other person to follow. Finally, share the generated link through chat or email, or send it directly using Wise if that option appears in your account. If you're sending it manually, make sure the message around it is clear and polite, so the payer knows what the link is for. It's also a good idea to quickly review the link or request before sending just to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. Once the payer opens the link, they can follow the instructions to complete the payment. Using a Wise payment request link is one of the easiest ways to ask for money clearly and professionally while keeping the process convenient for both sides.